Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where are you residing in the world. Welcome to the today's webinar on shoppable videos for e-commerce portal hosted by Daffodil System. My name is Abhishek Kushwa, and I'll be your host and moderator for today's session. I have more than 12 years of experience in software and web development, especially in e-commerce domain. Currently working as a technical manager at a service-based MNC, Daffodil Softwares India. Now I would like to just start with a few logistical items related to this session. You can hear me, but we can't hear you. So if you have any queries or questions, please write them in a questions dialog of GoToWebinar control panel, and we will address them at the end of this webinar. Probably we may not be able to answer all the questions and queries, but we will be available for one-to-one free consultation session post this webinar. Since this session is recorded, so please share with your peers and friends. This session will last for around 30 minutes, and there will be a following 10 minutes of Q&A session. So I'm going to go ahead and start the session. During the tenure of my professional experience, I have witnessed the evolution of e-commerce portal from the conventional multi-page checkout to advanced, that single page and the one-click checkout system, in order to enhance customer experience, their shopping experience, and minimize user inputs, and as well time for purchasing products. Now coming to the core objective of this session. What are shoppable videos? Why do we need shoppable videos? Why it is preferred over the conventional shoppable content? The answer is simple. And the main purpose is to attract and engage customers with the enriched feature of videos. Shoppable videos, an interesting term, providing as much as relevant and the precise information about products and directly take customers to the point of sale. Nowadays, e-commerce portals have been evolved to an entire new era, consisting customer engagement, user experience, their friendliness, and for minimizing efforts to product purchase with the actual requirement. As a part of evolution, videos have come up as a better and efficient way to maintain user friendliness and customer engagement so that customer can purchase the actual products at the same time when they are viewing the demonstration by host and celebrities. Moving ahead with the agenda for this session it's to enhance customer engagement, understand the logical concepts behind the scenes of shoppable videos, to understand the return on investment by incorporating shoppable videos in existing and conventional e-commerce portals. It also includes incorporating of shoppable videos. One need to plan wisely for the implementation during the evolution. Now coming to the various types of shoppable contents available to promote our products and to boost your sale of your e-commerce portal. The first one is a text. With the matter of the fact, it is eventually related to the SEO. That you have to document the product information and formulate efforts to bring among top records in search engine listing. For example, Yahoo, Google, Bing, and other popular search engines. There's another mode to publish your product pictures across the internet and link them directly to your product landing pages so that customer can just find it easily. Social media. That's a published post to multiple social media groups for promoting your products and encourage your friends and family to purchase. In recent few years, it has been one of the popular mode to share your shopping list over social media with your personalized reviews. The next option is to publish promotional quiz. for set of products or your own brand in order to encourage customer to purchase products in a discounted price. Another option is to advertise products to digitalize magazine is one of the expensive option but an effective option. However, it still comes with a limitation to cover only limited variety of products. It doesn't cover the all of your products. How this is actually one of the major limitation whenever we are just publishing our products into a blog or a magazine. The last but not the least is about the videos. So that's where we are going to. Shopping 24 by 7 channel or sponsored videos is a pretty appreciated by customers and even extend the access to the consumers who doesn't even often explore web for the reading articles. Over the time, the customer and the end users are getting more inclined towards more visual aids and minimizing manual efforts. And here comes the powerful essence of videos in thoughtful era, where video provides much assistance to users using artificial intelligence. This is a rise of a video in a particular census, in the current census, I would say. More than 8 billions of videos grasp the attention of consumers and viewers globally, which is surprisingly lead to 40% of increase in video watching time. And that's where the trick is to make hit a bullseye and positively exploit the consumer's interest for enhancing user experience and increase shopping figures as a merchant. Here comes for the shoppable videos. But before revisiting to the evolution of e-commerce platform with the videos, I would like to phrase the conventional approach of product tagging in videos that people do in old days by manually searching the related products, by watching each and every video from bundles and assign products one by one. It's a very pretty tedious job to manage products and the videos and the mapping along them, which actually requires a huge man efforts and the investment at the same time. Now, going with the advanced approach of shoppable videos is to minimize efforts of searching similar products from the vast inventory, where there is no need to view, watch each and every video and assign matching or the relevant products. It will be performed by a bunch of advanced and smart algorithms integrated with artificial intelligence. And when we talk about videos, or you can say moving frames in technical terms, perhaps it doesn't sound good enough for the technical, non-technical audience, but yes, it is. So videos actually grab customer attention by highlighting and encourage customer for quick, easy, and the interactive mode for purchase of appropriate and accurate products of their choice. Although it depends upon the merchant's marketing strategy for showing products with abstracted information or just an option to add into their cart or eventually provides a single click checkout so that they don't have to just spend any more time for figuring out or to finding out the relevant products. Here comes the difference of the approaches between conventional or the old and the new approach of shoppable videos. How do they make difference in shopping experience and purchase processes? However, when we talk about the conventional e-commerce checkout process, customers usually go to the e-commerce website, search for an appropriate category or search for a product from a global search, which actually resulting to a list of similar products with the search text, and then check for the multiple options of detailing of each product going to the product detail page, which having full detailed information in a textual format or in a graphical format, which consists of multiple images having side or the close-ups of the products and sometimes videos. So for finding out accurate product matching with the requirement takes a significant time and manual efforts of clicking to to check back and forth. And if you are lucky, you will be able to find your product in 2 or 3 attempts. Otherwise, it may take a while to find and complete the purchase process. Whenever we are just going for the new checkout process, there will be a multiple approaches of incorporating product information and encourage customers to initiate purchase process from the video itself. When we go with the shoppable videos, there are lots of benefits comes up with a different type of shoppable videos. There's are interactive videos and the non-interactive videos. So interactive videos are nothing. It's an approach, or you can say a technology in which objects are embedded directly in the video itself, allowing customers to pick product directly from the video and purchase them without leaving the video or the page. However, in terms of non-interactive videos, as soon as the product starts appearing in the video, the smart search triggers to identify the products in video frames, parses it with a multiple advanced algorithm to figure out the relevant products in system. Customer notices the products along with the abstract information and directly purchase them without having an extra efforts or multiple clicks, which actually leading to the minimize the conventional checkout process. So the result is reducing customer efforts for shopping and at the same time reducing backend efforts for product tagging, eventually leading to the increase in efficiency and reducing investment from the merchants. With a vast experience of building artificial intelligence integrated algorithms and logic, it has been noticed that the multiple products have similar appearances in the real life, and due to which some of the irrelevant or incorrect results of products appears as suggested or recommended products. So no worries about it. It's one of the most generic one, but a complex issue at the same time. So we came up with a strategy to optimize the accuracy of product suggestions using artificial intelligence by providing an additional review to the administrator or the backend user so that they can filter out the products and the actual results which are relevant to the video. As a customization, we provide an additional provision to search the system, attach any product with the video at a particular timestamp so that there will be a flexibility to the backend or the administrator user to have attach the products along with videos. Now moving ahead with a comparison of the shoppable videos in the e-commerce portals. So without shoppable videos, visitors actually visits the website, finds a product and then purchase the product, which actually just lower down the conversion rate and lower down the average order value because it takes time to find out or figure out the exact product. However, when user comes for the e-commerce portal with the videos, with the shoppable videos, I would say, there will be a high conversion rate and high average order value because it provides a suggestion and the recommendation at the same time. So now, how the basic question comes in our mind that how brands are using shoppable videos. The basic answer or the straightforward answer is to just incorporate the interactive or the non-interactive videos into their e-commerce portals. I'll just give you some of the example with you. This is one of the example which actually just focus on the lead generation, and that has been implemented across the market where we have a video running about across the system and the options for click to shop is available. I would like to just give you a brief demo about how it works with the video. So we go to one of the well-known brand, that's a Ted Brecker. Whenever the video starts, it's actually just provides an option to click to shop. And whenever I click on any of the link, it actually just show me a pop-up with the abstract information of that product and an option to shop now. However, I can just proceed ahead with the shopping of this product, or I can just simply just close it down and the video resumes without losing the consent of the user. Going back to our presentation, so how Daffodil success story with the shoppable videos, because we have been a part of that entire core team which provides solutions to the multiple merchants and the organizations. Now allow me to showcase our work with one of our client for the shoppable videos, who is actually a largest multi-brand beauty retailer for cosmetic products and well-known brand. They have their basic shopping portal, which have a conventional shopping cart, and we help them by extending their e-commerce model, incorporating the shoppable videos. We have built a full-fledged video streaming module within the application and integrated smartly with their forums to provide the better results and recommendations based on the customer reviews. With the shoppable videos, there are more upsell opportunities, as we have gathered around 4,000 visitors at the time of launch of this application. A significant increase in revenue within a quarter, and of course, the user base. That's most important to any of the merchant or the e-commerce administrator. The few of the features of that particular application, that as soon as the video starts, it provides a non-interactive suggestion of the shoppable videos. It's provide you an application interface where video runs in parallel and the suggestion appears at the same time beneath to the video. I would like to just give you a brief demonstration of for that as well. Just give me a moment. Over here, we comes with one of our, here we go. So this is one of the non-interactive shoppable videos where we do have a multiple products available in a single video, and based on which we have suggested, we have just passed those multiple products from our entire inventory system and showcase beneath to this video. As you can see, there's a slider over here which actually just comes directly from the artificial intelligence to just find out the products frame by frame from the video and showcase directly. So whenever a user just click on any of the item from the list, it actually just provides an option of having a preview size or to just directly an item for adding into the cart. Over here. And we can have a multiple items available, and this particular list of the items is also available for administrator to review and to just make any kind of an amendments, changes as per the business model. Now going back to our presentation, okay, so what's the actual benefit that we see by incorporating shoppable videos? What we get as a return of investment when going ahead with shoppable videos and incorporate in our e-commerce portals? The very first one is the customer engagement and the time spent on pages or on the website by customers increased by more than 60%, which is actually significant and fruitful. The click-through rate have been increased by 22% for the products. It's also just attract customer to check out your website and increase in traffic. Probably initially at the non-paid traffic, but eventually can lead to the paid traffic by monitoring the user behavior with the different sort of analytics like Google Analytics or the Microsoft Dynamics, and that's actually depends upon the marketing strategies that they do have. The rate of returning visitors and the retaining was customers increased by 3 times, which is again a significant figure to retain our customers. Promotion via social sharing increased more than double in the last census. More than half of a time saved in the content creation, which eventually lead to the cost saving. Obviously, everybody has to deal with the budget, and it's one of the vital point whenever we are talking about an e-commerce management. I think lots of the organization don't realize how much internal cost occurs when they implement these processes by their own or just have the manual processes. So that's also become an asset to the merchants. Next one, whenever we're just talking about Shoppable, is how Daffodil can just help over here. So Daffodil can just help, can provide you a basic guidelines of how that shoppable videos has to be created and has to be incorporated within your e-commerce portal to make it an advanced e-commerce portal and to just attract and to engage your customers. So that's the very first step is to just create an appealing design, and that's also pretty required in the web scenarios. Design a workflow for showcasing your products and then proceed with the implementation plan. At the same time, whenever you are just having your analytics, you also have to just monitor the impacts of the videos, how the videos are being utilized or watched by the users, how they have been converting the videos into the actual purchase. So the automatic mapping of and in the actual industries and multiple software companies and the merchants are being implemented these kind of strategies, which actually consist of automatic mapping of products and objects appearing in video, set of advanced and smart algorithms using intelligent integration of artificial intelligence, enables an optimized search at lightning speed with a high level of accuracy, providing guidelines for presenting products, address challenges in the user experience, and specialized handling of wide variety of real life products. As soon as we are done with these kind of an operations and hands-on experience, and also with the real life scenarios, we will be able to just transform existing videos to the efficient shoppable videos. Software solutions also provides in crafting standardized and personalized algorithms with the artificial intelligence for your explicit business logic and the model. As we have worked with a number of well-known brands and acted as a part of a core team to set up streaming infrastructure, so it's a matured solution for a infrastructure setup. Now, moving ahead with the solution designing. This is something kind of a technical information. There are multiple processes and technologies working behind the scenes to drive a shoppable video's functionality. So let's have a quick look at the technical solution to achieve the expected results and make it happen in your portal. It may be a bit of non-interesting to few of our audience, but I think we still need to throw a light on technical aspects as well, which actually just includes of set of algorithms which diverse into multiple tangents. The first one is to speech to text. That is actually a machine translation to extract noun phrases by a Genus library for language, followed by spell checker algorithm and give suggestions to administrator or the backend users for accurate product selection. It also includes a sentiment analysis for context understanding using dependency tree approach for reference of pronouns. We have also used entity analysis based on the n-gram. And to just complementing the algorithms, various advanced libraries have been incorporated or been suggested by the software solutions like OpenCV, device authentication, TensorFlow library to train system for different variants of product images. Finally, for the better and the accurate searching, entity analysis have been implemented to group products and to search products using a try-search algorithm. Product tagging has also been utilized from blogs and the QA forums for priority and the popular item across consumers. On top of the search results, an additional review is always available for the administrator for accurate selection of products. Once we are done with the video creation, there will be a video analysis to extract the product information from the shoppable videos and to just have the correct product solutions. Going ahead with the options or the tools to create shoppable videos. As a basic prerequisite for the content creation, you need to have the product videos that can be transformed in the shoppable videos. Lots of organization comes with a genuine query that they don't have any tool to create a video content. So here are few recommended tools across the industries which can be utilized to create or to transform the existing videos into a shoppable videos. That's on a Adobe Experience Manager and the Wiremax. So you can just, we have these links available and you can also just explore over the web and you can just easily find them. Moving ahead, I hope that you have learned somewhat good and gotten a brief idea of transforming your e-commerce portal to increase revenue and the user base. Now, going ahead with the questionnaire round, if you have any certain questions, then please type them in a question dialog. We will attempt to review and to just answer most of them. Okay, so we got a very first question from Nora. The question is, can these shoppable videos be integrated with any e-commerce platform such as Magento? The answer is simply yes. These are possibility, and these are a very fine, straightforward possibility to integrate with the shop, shopping portals like eCommerce, Drupal, Shopify, and other one. So there's nothing as such kind of a limitation that restrict you to incorporate with the e-commerce platforms. Okay, now we got another question that we will take it from Anand. How much time will it take to convert? So that actually depends upon the video quality and the products that you have in your inventory system. However, if you want, I mean, we are available post this session for a free one-to-one consultation to just deep dive into your business model and to just provide you an assistance and the guidelines accordingly. I can see another question that's from Andrew. Does it work in mobile device seamlessly? Yes, that's a good question, Andrew. Yes, it is possible and it is seamless without any issue. The shoppable videos also works with the mobile devices. However, as I have just demonstrated in the non-interactive videos, it's also possible to have an interactive videos on the mobile handsets. So I hope I was able to just provide you answers for your queries. I'm just waiting for any other queries or questions from the audience. Please let us know. I'll try to just address most of them or all of them. Okay, I think we are not receiving any further questions or queries. So let's proceed with the final phase of this webinar session. So well, guys, thank you everyone for attending this session. Reminding everyone that the session is recorded. So please share with your peers, and if there is any particular business scenario or questions that we have not covered or not been asked during the session, so we are available and encouraged to have a one-to-one free consultation to touch base and deep dive into your business understanding and to provide solutioning. Thanks again and have a wonderful day ahead.